So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make sublimation socks in less than 5 minutes using some simple pieces of equipment and products. Let's jump into the basement. Let's get started. You have a cardboard jig. You have your socks. One of the socks has the other jig in it already. And you have your portrait. It's printed out on my Epson 7720. There's been mixed reviews about it, but in my opinion, it's a pretty good printer. I converted it from regular ink to sublimation with Cosmos inks. Today we gonna do Nipsey. Rest in peace. So the first thing you wanna do is you wanna cover your heat press so no ink messes up your patterns. And in the description below, I'll put the type of sublimation paper that I use as well as my Epson. Now, one thing I forgot to mention was before you print this, you want to mirror the image. So when you turn it over, it's going to be on the opposite side because you're going to turn it down this way. So that way it's going to be facing down correctly. All right, so make sure you mirror the image before you print it out in your printer. Now you're going to set your heat press to 400 degrees. All right, and then your press time is gonna be for a full minute, so 60 seconds. And we'll bring our artwork over. All right. Let's see what we got here. Let's take off our cover sheet. So our press is finished, and now we're just gonna peel back and reveal. And here's your finished product. Completed sock. Yeah, there's some white showing at the bottom. That's just because I was using knee-high athletic socks, which are usually like soccer socks, which are extra long. So therefore, they were a little longer than the heat press, but I was able to get the complete picture that I was going for onto the sock. So if they were regular size socks, the whole sock would be sublimated. Yep, so that's sublimation socks in a glimpse. The sublimation paper that I used was ASUB paper 11 by 17 that I purchased on Amazon. Again, I'll put the link in the description below, along with the type of ink which I got from Cosmos Ink in order to convert my inkjet printer into sublimation. So shout out to Cosmos Inks for that. And if you learned anything from this video, make sure to click that subscribe button, tap that notification bell, and stay tuned for more videos just like this. It's been your boy, Mr. T-Shirt, signing off. Peace.